All right, welcome back to part 2 of today's lesson. We just did a little bit with adding large numbers or subtracting large numbers. Now we're going to subtract some really small numbers. We're going to subtract some decimal numbers, okay? Just like with adding, we use the decimal point as our anchor. All right, so I'm going to put that decimal point here. We have 2.098 minus 1.027. All right, so if I put that decimal point, 2.098. If we line it up the other side with the decimal point, all of the numbers will fall into place. And once we have those numbers in the place, we're going to do like you've done in the past. You're going to just have to do your subtracting. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring down the decimal. Don't forget the decimal. 2 minus 1 is 1. All right, then it just becomes a very simple subtraction problem. All right, let's do one more. Line up the decimals, 0.745 minus 0.229. Line up the decimals, 0.745 minus 0.229. All right, I've rewritten this in a way that is up and down. It's vertical for me to do a little bit of work. All right, 5 minus 9, can't do it. So I got to do a little bit of borrowing, make that a 3, make that a 15. 15 minus 9 is doable. That's 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. Bring down the decimal, bring down the zeros, and we have our second answer, 0.516 or 516 thousandths. All right, let's do one more. Put that anchor in there, that decimal point, 0.281. The other number is 0.0656. Once again, if there's a blank spot, we treat it as a 0. And with subtracting, I would very much suggest filling those zeros in. Okay? Can't take 0 minus 6, so I have to do a little bit of borrowing. That makes that a 0. Makes that a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Move to the next place value. Can't take 0 minus 5. Got to do a little bit more borrowing. That becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down my decimal. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, so it's just like adding whole numbers, only you got to make sure you line up those decimals and you will be golden. Now you're going to go to formative. You're going to take a chance to practice 3 problems. All right, good luck.